Zonna. Yurikani.
Anita Site by tribe and teacher at Mother's Pride Nursery and Primary School and a resident of Gulama Village, Goma District in Goma Division in Mukono District. Statement of offense abbreviated defilement. Odeke Nathan, between the month of May 2026 and 10th day of July 2026 at Gulama Village, Goma District in Goma Division in the Mukono District, being a teacher and a person in authority to Auma Modesta Lydia, a girl aged 16 years, performed a sexual act with the said Auma Modesta Lydia.
Charges against you are capital in nature and are only tried by the High Court. This court has no jurisdiction or to try the charges of aggravated defilement. So I only want to know if you have understood what has been read to you.
I've understood.
So you will not answer to the charges, you will only answer before the High Court upon committal by this court. I've understood. Yes. You have the right to apply for bail before the High Court.
Okay.
And since inquiries are complete and state is praying for a mentioned date, you remanded until 28th of July.
28th of July.
Yes, at 9 a.m. for mention.
On 28th of July, am I allowed to call my people to come and stand for me in the case?
You have the right to apply for bail before the High Court, which has
Hey.
jurisdiction to try you on the charges.
Not here.
Not here. Here would only be for mention, and once inquiry